Megan Young's flight to Indonesia, where the Miss World Beauty Pageant will be held. Before she goes, Megan Young has an appeal for the Filipinos to support her. Miss World Philippines Megan Young cried from her send-off party recently because she feels different emotions by representing the Philippines in Miss World 2013 in Jakarta, Indonesia on September. 128 participants from different countries around the world will be her competitor on her first international pageant. Megan Young says,
I really just can't wait to be there and to experience this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that not a lot of people get to experience in life, and I think I'm very blessed to even just be there.
recently, some of the religious group requested Indonesia to cancel the pageant because of the excessive skiing exposure. Is Megan worried?
I think naman I know that the Miss World organization has everything in their hands and they're controlling everything that needs to be controlled as possible.
On September 3 will be Megan Young's flight to Indonesia. She will go first to Bawal, Indonesia for the pre-pageant event before she goes to Jakarta. Megan Young encouraged the Filipinos to participate in the online voting, where she's in the second spot right now. This is Mary Jo Peralta of News Star.